Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and I'm Doug. We'll just start this video to give you an idea the size of this box that's just arrived from my friend Carrie in the United States of America. I've just put the wine bottle there to give perspective to the size of the box, and we're going to do an unboxing, but we won't do everything in one go. We'll just do a bit and break it up into X amount of videos. Okay, let's start. Looks like box got knocked around a bit. So we've got a bunch of vintage Wilkinson sword stainless steel blades. Hard to tell whether this box had been opened. I've had a couple of parcels in recent times that have been opened by Australian Border Force or Customs. Okay, now we've got a lady Gillette here, the champagne one. Seems in pretty good nick. So some of these razors, or a lot of these razors and stuff here, I bought over a year ago. And I did have one parcel was sent to me. This would be getting close on 10 months ago. And it went from the States to Hong Kong to Perth in Western Australia. And then it just got sent back to America, which was quite frustrating. And someone's sent me some derby blades and some vintage blades. What have we got here? Oh yeah. So this is a Gillette. Ah, man. This is really old. This was released around the early single rings. There's a few little, oh no, the teeth are all right. So there's no knurling, or what you like to call it. It's just a flat or just a smooth handle. I'd love to find a case. You can see one of these on the Mr. Razor website. Just one moment. Just had to employ the scissors. I have to employ them again, I think. Yeah, might just make it easier. And again. Okay. So, some Star dispensers, vintage dispensers. Let's open one up. These are blades I would unlikely shave with, but I bought them just for the dispensers themselves. Out you come. I have to open the other end. Whoops. Oh, there they are. Looks like the glue holding it all together has come apart. Let's put it back together. We'll just have to keep this one in this box. Well, there it is there. First pull, then push. Back you go. I'll fix it up later. Here we go. Where's my blade? Where's the knife? Where's the knife? There we go. Actually, this might be scissors again. Okay, so this case has seen better days. Should be an Aristocrat inside, but I just needed the knife just to jimmy it open. There we go, it's an old Aristocrat. Oh, hang on, that's a Diplomat in an Aristocrat case. There's a bit of dust on it. Nice, because I wanted a Diplomat to shave with. Excellent. Excellent. Very nice. Case. Oh, that's nice. We'll go on the clock here. Rightio, let's go to one side. In fact, we'll do this. So, some shave soaps. Not sure if some of these have been used or not. So this has come with the matching splash. And I won these on Facebook page. I know it's probably not the right time to be sniffing this. This is the Neon Sun by Noble Otter. I've had a bit of a flu, or have a bit of a flu at the moment. So I don't want to say too much about the scent. Well, should we do one more? Stuff everywhere, everywhere. Another Persona 74. And let's do one more package. Let's do that one. Okay, looks like it's an old executive. No idea why I bought this. It opens up. Is this jam? Feels like it. It is. So I must have got this cheap. Anyway, there we go. Well, that's part one. Catch up with you again next week.